So as 2020 draws to a close, I wanted to give you guys one last look at the lawn and to take this moment to thank you guys for all the support over this season. The channel's grown a ton. I think I started out at the beginning of this season at around 3,000, just over 3,000 subscribers, and the channel has grown to almost 12,000. I think we're at like 11,700 or something like that right now. So thank you guys so much for your support, your confidence, your trust in giving me a little bit of your time to talk about crazy lawn care content. The lawn has actually come a long way this season too. I'll give you guys one last look here at the front lawn. You see, even here we are, guys. We're in late December and still we've got a little bit of green still showing through, which is pretty awesome. Big believer in that Arden 15. The vanity strip in all its glory. Well, maybe not so glorious right now, but it's still there, right? And then of course, you know, no season closeout would be complete without mentioning Alex's lawn. You know, this season, if you guys are following, we did a ton to his lawn. We completely renovated it. We got the weeds under control. We fixed his soil. We top dressed it. We did a lot of really cool things, largely based and largely due to the ideas that you guys gave me for content that you wanted to see. You guys wanted to see, hey, what it takes to transform a lawn from normal, from ordinary to extraordinary. And Alex was happy to come along for that journey. And you can see how awesome his lawn now looks because of it. I'll give you guys another look here of my back lawn. There's still some green, which is absolutely insane considering that we are just days before Christmas and there is still green Bermuda in the lawn. Again, pointing to the awesomeness of that Arden 15, guys. The awesomeness of that cultivar. And you guys may have noticed, you probably see it peeking through there. The Toro Greensmaster is on duty. She's standing by because no season closeout would be complete without one more mow. Now, is it necessary at this point? Probably not. But has that ever stopped me? No, not at all. And you guys know I always preach the importance of mowing and how, you know, once you have your soil health in great shape, how critical mowing is to producing an amazing lawn. So no season closeout would be complete without me breaking out Big Red here and letting it get one more shot at the lawn before it goes in for surface sharpening, getting all tuned up and getting ready for 2021. So with all that out of the way, again, guys, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Enjoy this last mow. Well, all right, guys, a couple hours later and the front lawn is done. This mow almost killed me. I gotta tell you something. A Greensmaster on dry grass is no fun, but as you can see, the lawn looking pretty good, man. You can even get the lawn to stripe even in December. Coming over here to the swale area, you see that's also looking pretty good. Again, the sun's not in the best spot in the sky right now to show off the stripes, but just shows you can get that golden brown action even in winter months. Granted, it's not the spring or summer glory, but you gotta take what you can get, right? You gotta take what you can get. Let's move on to the back lawn. Now, guys, there still is some stripe action. I mean, it's not great, and I don't want to hear hate from you guys in the comments saying, "Ooh, why are you mowing dead grass? The grass is all brown." But you can tell it's still, you can still put some stripes on it, man. Give you guys a shot from this angle here. You'll be able to really see what we're working with. See, look at that. Look at that. That's not bad for December stripes. A little bit of green coming through there. Arden 15 is refusing to die. The Arden 15 is like saying, I'm gonna wait it all the way to January. January 1st, 2021, I'm still gonna have some green grass. That's the goal, we'll see. Well, again, guys, thank you guys so much for an amazing 2020. The channel saw tremendous growth due in no small part to the fact that you guys trust me with just a little bit of your time to watch the content, and I truly, truly do appreciate it. 2021 is gonna be even better, so if you've not yet subscribed, consider doing so. Also, shameless plug, due to requests from some of you guys, I've been putting together a more targeted piece of content in the form of a course that is going to tell you everything you need to know to be able to transform your lawn from ordinary to extraordinary, something that looks like this. Granted, you know, we're dormant now, so it's not looking as green as it could, but if you saw the Fix My Ugly Lawn series with Alex over the course of this season, over the course of the summer, you saw how quickly a lawn can be transformed. So I'm putting together a course that's gonna be very, very concise, to the point. It's gonna tell you guys exactly what you need to know, nothing that you don't. And if you're interested in that, visit golfcourselawn.com. There's going to be an opt-in where you can be sign up to be notified as soon as the course is ready. Probably be a special deal for those that sign up on that list, so that I know that you're interested ahead of time, maybe get you a better deal, better discount. So consider doing that if you're interested. Guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please like, share, comment. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. I will see you guys next time in 2021. Have an amazing day.